and you'll have an opportunity to earn a living.
Jatend jotije piny owacho Felix Koskei osingo mar golo achudhe mogo tach e duol ma KEBS mowacho ni osemiyo mwandu mabandia odonjo e chiro mapacho kam. Owacho ni apisas moko e duol no keto mibadhi mbele mamedo ketho nying Kenya. Jaelieta nigi mathoth.
As an organization,
and we are here to talk to you so that we make sure that as an institution you are growing, you are innovating to reach every manufacturer, whether small or big. You are innovating to make sure that every importer brings to this country things that add value that we can make here. Which means that if you work very closely with our manufacturers, you should be able to help them to develop products that we can make in Kenya, which we are currently importing.
My last statement that that those who do not and will not follow the rules, and indeed those who participate in corruption, will not receive any sympathy from this administration. Consequences, ladies and gentlemen, will be swift, strict, and precise.